Good morning, folks. Captain Dave Barros for Salty Cape at what I refer to as the Mashpee Neck or Simon's Narrows or Pirates Cove boat ramp here in Mashpee. It accesses Popponesset Bay. This is right where we are, as Popponesset Bay is out in this direction. We have Shoestring Bay up here, and this accesses again Nantucket Sound a little further east. So it's going to get you more in, again, like you're obviously going out of Popponesset Bay, put you in close to Cotuit, Osterville. So it does give you that little bit of a reach. Popponesset, nice area, pretty good fishing in the springtime. Get some bigger fish in here. A couple of years ago, this place also had a good run of weakfish up inside, which is, you know, one of the reasons I like this, that the wind is really blowing, so I can fish up inside Popponesset. And one of the boat ramps, probably the only boat ramp that I use in the town of Mashpee. As you can see, we've got some definite issues here. The pad is not in the greatest shape, and you really need to stay definitely on the pad because it drops off and there's really nothing that's going to keep you from going off of it. The other issue with it is the fact that it is very tidal dependent. Even at high tide or any stage of the tide, if you have a float-on trailer like I do, you're going to have your back tires in the water. Up here on Cape Cod, a lot of people use roller trailers just because of boat ramps like this. So you don't have to back your boat in as far, and the boat will roll right off. My type of boat requires a float-on trailer, and I like them because they have a substantial amount of support. So a lot of times you have to back in quite far. Otherwise, trying to get a boat off a dry float-on trailer is just impossible. So the weaknesses, those are the couple of weaknesses here. It does have a nice float, it does have a nice dock system that has been improved, which is definitely much improved from the old one, but not necessarily a ramp that I'd highly recommend. It is used by a fair amount of commercial people and people who know about it and have the appropriate boat. Not really a boat ramp you're going to use with a big boat. Another issue is the channel is quite windy, and you definitely want to know and follow the markings. Popponesset Bay is fairly shallow, and it's easy to fetch up on sandbars and shallow patches. So you really want to, know the channel, and if you don't, really pay very close attention to the channel markers. A lot of the markers up close in this area are mid-channel markers. One of the greatest weaknesses of this boat ramp is parking. There is no parking close by. In fact, you have to launch here and you have to go quite a distance up ahead base and park on either side of the road. The signs also say permit parking only. Again, I use this in the spring and again in the fall. I've really never had a problem, and knock on wood, I've never got a ticket. I do know this, Mashpee does require stickers, and it pretty much is resident only. Again, definite limitations. As far as amenities, really nothing around here that you can take advantage of. You do have a marina off to the right. They do not sell gas, so you're not going to be able to find gas in this immediate area. The New Seabury Marina up inside, which is a private marina, they do sell gasoline. So you could access that as far as if you needed gas. But this is one place you definitely want to have a full fuel tank before you launch.